Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the second subdivision in exercise 1.2's third question. The question is, prove that the following are irrationals, and this time we need to prove it as for 7 root 5. So we know that to prove that 7 root 5 is irrational, I need to assume that as 7 root 5 as rational. Here, before we solve that, ensure that you write or prove that root 5 is irrational. So see how to solve this. Looking at the first question in this particular exercise. So this should be your step 1. Prove that root 5 is irrational. Now once that proof is done, now we will start with the proof of contradiction for 7 root 5. So assume 7 root 5 is going to be as rational. So once I assume 7 root 5 as rational, which means that 7 root 5 can be expressed as A by B, where A and B are coprimes, meaning they don't have any common factor among them. Now, I can also rearrange this expression as root 5 is equal to A by 7B. I'm just bringing the 7 from here. Now, look at this expression. This is nothing but A by some number Q. So I'm expressing root 5 again as A by Q, which is not possible because just now in the step 1 you have proved that root 5 is irrational. Therefore, your assumption that 7 root 5 is rational is also wrong. Okay, so now this is wrong. Therefore, 7 root 5 is irrational. So here again, two-step process to prove that 7 root 5 is irrational. Now, let us take the third subdivision in this sum, which is prove that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. So in order to prove 6 plus root 2 is irrational, what is the first step that we are going to have? So to prove 6 plus root 2 as irrational, the first step is to show that root 2 is irrational. Please refer the previous video as to how this is solved. So this is the step 1 in this numerical. So once that we have proved root 2 is irrational, now let's come to the second part where we assume 6 plus root 2 as rational. So assume 6 plus root 2 as rational. So once you assume 6 plus root 2 as rational, what does it mean? 6 plus root 2 can be written as A by B, where A and B are coprimes. So now let us bring the 6 other side. So root 2 can be written as A by B minus 6. So take LCM, root 2 is equal to A minus 6B by B. So I can simply say that root 2 can be rearranged and written as P by Q. But in the first step, we just proved that U2 is irrational. So the moment when I say root 2 is irrational, I cannot express them as a fraction of P by Q. Therefore, assumption is wrong. So this means the assumption is wrong. So what did we assume? We assumed that 6 plus root 2 is rational. So this assumption is wrong. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Hence proved. With this, we come to the end of numericals in lesson 1. In the next video, we will solve numerical from chapter 2. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.